Owls, the mysterious guardians of the night, have fascinated humans for centuries. With their glowing eyes, silent wings, and haunting calls, they seem like creatures from another world. These birds of prey are not just symbols of wisdom in myths and legends, but are also remarkable hunters, perfectly designed by nature to survive in the darkness. Let's step into the world of owls and uncover their secrets. Owls belong to a group of birds known as raptors, or birds of prey. This group also includes eagles, hawks, and falcons, but owls are unique because of their nocturnal lifestyle. Unlike most birds that are active during the day, owls have mastered the night. Their bodies and senses are designed for hunting in complete darkness, making them one of nature's most extraordinary predators. One of the most striking features of owls is their large forward-facing eyes. Unlike most birds, whose eyes are on the sides of their heads, owls' eyes face the front, giving them binocular vision. This allows them to judge distances with amazing accuracy essential for hunting. But there's a catch. Their eyes are fixed in place, meaning they cannot move them like we do. To overcome this, owls have evolved the ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Imagine turning your head almost all the way around. That's the flexibility owls have. Their eyes are also specially adapted for low light. An owl's retina contains a high number of rod cells, which are more sensitive to light than cone cells. This allows them to see clearly in the faintest glow of the moon or stars. Some species, like the barn owl, can detect movement in almost total darkness. But sight is only one part of their hunting toolkit. Owls also rely heavily on their sense of hearing. Many species have asymmetrical ears, one higher than the other. This unusual placement allows them to pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from, both horizontally and vertically. If a mouse rustles in the grass or a beetle crawls beneath the leaves, the owl can locate it with stunning precision, even if it cannot see it. Then there is the silent flight. Unlike other birds of prey, which create noise when they flap their wings, owls have fringed feathers that break up turbulence and muffle sound. This gives them the incredible ability to glide silently through the night. Their prey has no idea they are being hunted until it's too late. This is why owls are often called ghosts of the night. There are over 200 species of owls found all over the world, from icy tundras to tropical rainforests. Some of the most famous include the snowy owl, known for its white plumage and made famous by movies, and the barn owl with its heart-shaped face and eerie call. Each species has adapted to its environment in remarkable ways. The tiny elf owl, for example, is only 6 inches tall and hunts insects in desert regions, while the Eurasian eagle owl is one of the largest owls in the world, with a wingspan of nearly 6.5 feet. Owls play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. By hunting rodents, insects, and other small animals, they help control populations that could otherwise grow out of control. Farmers in many parts of the world even build owl nesting boxes near fields to encourage these birds to settle and naturally reduce pests. Throughout history, owls have held a special place in human culture. In ancient Greece, the owl was a symbol of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. In many Native American traditions, owls were seen as protectors and messengers. In contrast, some cultures viewed them with fear, associating their calls with death or bad luck. These mixed feelings show just how deeply owls have captured the human imagination. Modern science continues to study owls, not just to understand them, but also to learn from them. Engineers have studied owl feathers to design quieter airplanes and wind turbines, inspired by their ability to fly in silence. This is a perfect example of how nature can guide human innovation. Despite their power and mystery, owls face many challenges. Habitat loss, deforestation, and climate change threaten their survival. Some species, like the barn owl, have declined in certain regions due to pesticides and disappearing farmland. Protecting owls means protecting the ecosystems they depend on: forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Owls are more than just birds of prey. They are symbols of patience, resilience, and adaptability. They remind us that silence can be powerful, that observation is as important as action, and that even in the darkest times, there are guardians watching over the world. So, the next time you hear the distant call of an owl on a quiet night, remember you are listening to one of nature's oldest and most mysterious storytellers. Their watchful eyes have seen the rise and fall of civilizations, the turning of countless seasons, and the endless cycle of life in the forest. Owls are not just night watchers, they are keepers of the wild.